Name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the home of the 5-minute or less video. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. I've done this for 50 years. I'm a national expert in IRS representation matters. If you need representation or you need a consultation, just give me a call. I've been in all the major news stations to just pat myself on the back. So today I want to talk to you about the IRS statute of limitations and what that means to you, and should you wait out the statute of limitations. There's a lot of talk out there and people really don't know the truth about the IRS statute of limitations. So I want to take my time, and a lot of people will call me, and I don't want to say a lot, a fair number of people will call me and say, hey, you know, my statute is close. What really do I need to do? So let's go over some just rudimentary facts and information for you to know. The IRS statute of limitations is 10 years, and that 10 years starts the day IRS gets your tax return and puts it on their computer system. There will be a TC 150 code on your transcript. If you're a former IRS agent or used to looking at transcripts, you'll know that that code starts the actual date. And from that day forward to 10 years, the statute runs. Now, there's certain things that extend the statute of limitations. Some of them are the offer and compromise, the bankruptcy, certain payment agreements, and limitations. So you can create an event within the 10 years that extends the statute of limitations. So what you need to do is you need to find out from IRS or pull a transcript or call a tax professional like us to find out when your statute is officially up. If you've done nothing since you filed that return and IRS processed it, it will let you know on the federal tax lien itself when the 10 years is up. IRS has 30 days to refile a federal tax lien, which they normally do not do. It's extremely rare, but they can do it. It gives them another 30 days for processing reasons. But what do? Do you wait out the statute or don't wait out the statute? Every case is very individualistic, and you can't give general advice on really what to do. Generally, if a client is in their 7th or 8th year, I will not take any action with IRS. I won't file an offer. I won't do anything, because most of the time those statutes tick and those statutes go ahead blow. A lot of these cases now are in private collection agencies, debt collection agencies that the IRS has hired to try to collect money, and they can absolutely do nothing. So at the end of the day, you have to have somebody really analyze your case and find out really what you want to do. There's a celebration when that 10 years is over. So I just want you to know that. But you need the official transcripts to go ahead and know that. And you can find out the COLSED dates, the statute dates, and you'll know when you can go ahead and have a party and celebrate. Now, if you have a federal tax lien, that's another situation, because at the end of that 10-year statute of limitations, just so you know, your federal tax lien is self-released. Self-released. If you look on the face of the federal tax lien, you'll see about 4 inches down from the top that this tax lien is self-releasing at the end of the 10 years. But there's a problem. Nobody knows whether that lien has expired or not until you pull the transcript. So is it official? Not really official. If you really want to know if it's truly official, you can go ahead and ask for a lien release from the Cincinnati Service Center, or you can hire us to go ahead and do that. But anyway, I want to let you know on the statute, it's a great thing if you can wait out the 10 years. With IRS so busy and so clogged up, this is probably the greatest time that I've known since 1973, where statutes really are blowing left and right, left and right, left and right. The other thing you can do, if you're in that 7th, 8th, 9th year and IRS is grabbing a refund, you can adjust your W-4 so you don't have that refund offset going to Internal Revenue Service. That's a great tax tip. Anyway, I give you all the information you need. If you need me, just call me. I've been doing this a long time. Give me a subscription if you would. YouTube values those, and so since they do, so do I. And then if you have a comment, leave it. You want me to do a YouTube on something, I'll go ahead and do that. Marie's trying to get behind me. She doesn't want to be in the video. Thank you for listening. Subscription, comment, like. Appreciate it. Ask me any question. I'm available for representation and or consultations. Thank you.